Ever wondered what it feels like to walk the romantic streets of Paris or bask in the aromatic lavender fields of Provence? Join us as we take you on an unforgettable journey through the enchanting landscapes of France. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Let's Go Travel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Welcome to our channel, dear explorers. We're about to embark on an extraordinary journey. From the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris to serene lavender fields of Provence, France is a treasure trove of unforgettable escapes. Each corner of this enchanting country tells a unique story, a testament to its rich history, diverse culture, and human ingenuity. If you enjoy our content and want to join us on more such virtual tours, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for our channel. Now fasten your seatbelts. We are about to start our French exploration with the symbol of love and elegance, the Eiffel. As we take the first step into our journey, we find ourselves in the heart of France, the mesmerizing city of Paris. Known as the city of love and elegance, Paris is more than just its world-renowned landmarks. It's a city that pulsates with life and culture at every corner. Its streets, lined with charming cafes and boutiques, are perfect for a leisurely stroll. The aroma of freshly baked croissants wafts through the air, inviting you to taste the authentic flavors of France. As the sun sets, the city transforms, with the glow of the street lamps casting a magical sheen over the cobblestone streets. The City of Light truly comes alive at night, with its vibrant nightlife and illuminated landmarks creating an unforgettable tableau. So, dear explorers, are you ready to fall in love with Paris? Stay with us as we venture next into the hidden gem of France, the charming town of Saptitle. As we leave the hustle and bustle of the City of Love, our journey takes us to an uncharted territory, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of France, the charming town of Saptitle. This less-traveled destination is a treasure trove of historical landmarks, picturesque landscapes, and authentic French culture waiting to be discovered. The town is known for its quaint cobblestone streets, charming local markets filled with a myriad of colors and scents, and unique architecture that echoes its rich history. Each corner of Saptitle whispers tales from the past, blending seamlessly with the vibrant present. As day turns into night, the town transforms into a romantic haven, with its streets bathed in the soft glow of lamplights, creating an enchanting atmosphere that's hard to resist. So, dear explorers, are you ready to uncover the secrets of Saptitle? Stay tuned, as our next destination is an engineering marvel, the Eiffel Tower. Imagine standing in the heart of Paris, dwarfed by the towering majesty of the Eiffel Tower. The iron lattice structure, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, punctures the sky with over 300 meters of architectural brilliance. This iconic structure, painted in a unique shade of Eiffel Tower brown, is a symphony of over 18,000 individual iron parts, bolted together to create an enduring symbol of France. From the Eiffel Tower, our journey takes us to the serene, swirling lavender fields of Provence in the south of France. As the scent of lavender fills the air, one can't help but get lost in the endless purple landscape. These fields, a living, breathing canvas of nature's own creation, blossom from June to August. The sight of these vibrant fields is a unique spectacle, one that leaves a lasting impression on the senses. Next, our journey northwards leads us to the historic region of Normandy. Here, the Mont Saint-Michel, a small rocky island, demands attention. The abbey perched atop this island is a marvel of medieval architecture, with its spires, stout defensive walls, and delicate flying buttresses. Isolated by the shifting tides in the surrounding bay, the Mont Saint-Michel offers a glimpse into a bygone era, a time of fortresses and knights. Our travel through France would be incomplete without a visit to the French Riviera, known in France as the Côte d'Azur. This Mediterranean coastline, a playground for the rich and famous, dazzles with its azure blue waters, sandy beaches, and glamorous seaside resorts. The French Riviera is a testament to the allure of the good life, a place where luxury meets natural beauty. Finally, we end our journey in the picturesque region of Alsace. Nestled between the Vosges Mountains and the Rhine River, Alsace is a blend of German and French cultures. Its half-timbered houses, decorated with flowers, exude a fairy tale-like charm. The region's vineyards producing the famous Alsatian wine add to the allure of this quaint region. In this journey, we've explored the architectural marvel of the Eiffel Tower, the aromatic lavender fields of Provence, the historic Mont Saint-Michel in Normandy, the luxurious French Riviera, and the picturesque Alsace. Each place, with its unique features and charm, offers a different facet of the rich and diverse French landscape. From towering structures and vibrant fields to historic islands and luxurious coastlines, France is a tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered.